And here we are at Kingston's Hope Botanical Gardens. So without further ado, let's make our way to the zoo and see what it's like. So it's really beautiful. Lush green gardens, lush green flowers all around. Excited to see the animals, and she's hiding from the camera. So we're gonna make our way further up. I just love the little chirps and animal sounds in the background when I'm here by the animals. It gives a vibe of serenity and being engulfed by nature. One of my favorite species of parrots, the conure, or is it conure? Let me know in the comments. So you previously heard me say when I'm here. The last time I was here was many moons ago, or years. So there's also this childhood nostalgia that hits if you fall into this category of experience. You wanna go pet him?
No. You're not even allowed to.
He's just staring at us.
It looks so fake.
Trying to see if I spot anything here, and the peacocks seem to roam this place free. I wonder if there are any other animals that roam around this free.
Don't play with me like that.
This way to the snake.
Another one.
What? What's wrong with the snake?
Oh, look at that. Look how beautiful.
And here's a look at some of the reptiles they have in shelters.
Isn't that creepy?
The Argentine black and white tegu.
How many kids do you want?
One.
One?
these are the ones that I want.
Ooh, ah!
Yes, man, like.
The turtle likes you.
I think it's what do you say?
Ooh, ah, ah, ah. Here's one. Ooh, ooh, ah. He's so small, damn. He's
Hi,
afraid of
buddy.
you.
This is the one that I want. Aren't they so cute?
And I think this looks like a kangaroo. Correct me in the comments if I'm mistaken. Sure doesn't want to kick you?
No, she's on her ass. Where's her elephant?
I only see one.
What? They just have to. Oh, this one looks old. I'm sorry, girl,
Fine.
but you look crusty.
And if he chases you?
Like tart a little bit. Like a weird or tangy. This one is pretty better.
What the hell is it making that noise?
I'm right here, girl. Oh. I'm gonna beat her up. There's a lot of them. Hi.
Think you can ride it?
Ew. It's so weird. It's like a short pig.
It's like half pig. Didn't know what he wanted to be in life.
That's a boy. I see balls.